Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Python 3.11.1 properly for Windows 11. To do so, first you have to go to browser. I am using Microsoft Edge browser. You can use any browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, etc. Just type Python and enter. Go to the downloads option of python.org. Then click on Download Python 3.11.1. If you are looking for Python for another operating system, then click on selected operating system like Linux, Unix, Mac OS or others. Then you can click on the Open File or Show in Folder option. I am clicking on the Show in Folder option to run the program as administrator. First of all, you need to add python.exe to path. Then I am clicking on Custom Installation. Keep all optional features checked and click on Next. In Advanced Options, select Install for all users. After clicking on it, you can see it will install Python 3.11 to program files. You can change the location, but we think the default is okay. Then click on Install. Guys, you can see the setup is successful. To run Python, go to the search box and click on it. You can see Python here and click on it. I am printing hello. To see the version, type import sys, then print to see the version. Now, let us go to the command prompt. Click on the command prompt. Type the python ---- version, then enter. Now, I am printing hi. As we installed IDLE, just go to the search box and type IDLE. Click on it. You can see the IDLE shell. Now we are printing welcome to our channel. Typing it, press enter. You can see it successfully runs the program in IDLE also. So guys, in this tutorial we saw how we can easily install and run Python 3.11.1 on Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video.